Andrea, thank you. Thank you. That's Andrea Warner. She is our music columnist. We've been talking about Jen Grant, who's on tour in support of her forthcoming album, Love Inevitable. And yes, she's here in Vancouver this Saturday, May 25th at Fortune Sound Club. And we're going to speak with her on Friday, just ahead of that show. That'll be fun. Beautiful music. Amazing.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, I like that. She's got quite the history. Lisa, what are you watching now?
Yeah, we have a few problems to look out for. A stall in the number 2 outlet southbound at 40th in the left lane, and also a equivalent stall truck on United Boulevard eastbound at Leader in the left lane, and another stall equivalent on Mariner southbound with the UV truck in the right lane. But otherwise, I thought I was saying it really started to get quiet out there. We have no delays southbound to the Massey Tunnel at all. It was just a smooth sail, and then just a few delays from Lonsdale to the Ironworkers, but Highway 1 eastbound, not that bad this afternoon, so it's a pretty nice commute for a Tuesday, and I'll be back right after the 5 o'clock news.
Look over my shoulder right now, out to the Queen Elizabeth Plaza. It is absolutely full of new grads in their gowns.
Fresh-faced, ready to take on the world.
And their caps, and mom's there, and
everybody.
Grandparents are there, and they're all taking photographs, and they're looking